investing in your people is one of the greatest ways to enhance the culture. Culture isn't something that you can just put a mission statement on the wall and tell everybody this is what our culture is all about. And then you expect everybody to follow along. You've got to invest in your people. You have to let them know through training and through shared activities what it is that you're trying to accomplish. So when I work with companies, we talk about relationships inside the company because networking is just as important inside your organization as it is outside your organization, because all opportunities in life come from people. And when we have really good relationships with other people, that's when the magic happens. There's actually been studies done that say when somebody has real friendships at work, really close relationships, they stay longer, they work harder, and they are less likely to badmouth the company and leave the company. And yet, I posted this recently and somebody came back and said, well, I actually don't think you should be friends with people at work. People are out to get you. They're out to gossip. They're going to use information they learn about your personal life against you. I felt sorry for the person who said that because in my soul, in my heart, I don't believe that's the norm. I don't believe in your companies you want to have a culture where it's about backstabbing, gathering information, and really just everybody being up for themselves. So we've got to talk about this whole concept of how do you bond? How do you network inside your company? How do you have best friends at work? But then there's two other parts that are really important. You need to have trust amongst everybody on your team. And the more you raise the trust, the more success your companies have. There is actual studies that show that companies that have a higher internal and external perception of trust are going to make more money. And the other piece is accountability. You know, if you're not accountable to people and for people on your team, you're not going to be able to actually have the success that you want to have. Now, I've become a certified trainer and coach for both the Trust Edge Leadership Institute and the Accountability Institute. And what I do is I take this information, years of research, and I combine that with my strong belief about the power of relationships in business. How do you build uncommon connections with people where they're not out to get you? It's just the opposite. They've got your back and you've got their back. So relationships, trust, and accountability are the bedrock to making your company more successful. And yet, it's not something that people think to go out and get a trainer to come in and talk about. I mean, they think, well, you know, we have a company party, so relationships are great. We see everybody get together at the holiday party, or they just don't care. Neither of those is the right answer. If you want to have a culture that's all about the people, you have to actually take the steps forward to start the dialogue, to getting people to talk about why are the people so important? Why does it matter that I have a good relationship with my coworkers? Why does it matter that I trust them? And why does it matter that everyone on this team is responsible for that accountability that's going to let everybody thrive to their highest level? So I would love to chat with you about how do we take this whole idea of networking that we think is external and how do we pull it inside and make sure that your team, whether they're all working in the same office, whether it's hybrid or whether most of your people are distributed and remote, it doesn't matter. We can build relationships that thrive. We can have a foundation of trust and accountability, but it doesn't happen by accident. I would love to have a chat with you about what's going on with your culture and how can we take it to a brand new level.